Hello guys, welcome back. Let's solve another problem in the series of important LeetCode solutions. Okay. Now the problem is contains duplicate. Given an array of integers, find if the array contains any duplicates. Your function should return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and it should return false if every element is distinct. Okay. See the first example, 1 2 3 1. Here there is a duplicate, that is 1, so the output will be true. And see the second example, 1 2 3 4. Here all the elements are distinct, so return false. Okay, now let's discuss the brute force method. To do so, you use linear search algorithm. Linear search is a method of finding if a particular value is in a list by checking each of its elements one at a time and in sequence until desired one is found. If we follow this, here the time complexity will be O(n square). This is not a good solution. We may get time limit exceeded as n increases, like when n increases to 10 power 5 or so. So we'll be using hash table as it is dynamic data structures that supports fast search and insert operation. Let's code now. First create a hash set of type integer. We need one loop to iterate nums. First we check if the element is already present in the set. If that's true, it means that we found duplicate and return true. On the other hand, if that element is not already present in the set, we add it. Finally, we return false. This is for the case if all elements are distinct. Let's run the code. And submit. If you like this video, hit the like button and also check my another playlist for cracking the coding interview problems. If you are new here, please subscribe and support. For updates and notifications, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this.